In this video, I'm going to show you how to use trend lines with breaks by LuxAlgo. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, and then here you want to sign into your account or create one if you don't have one yet here at the top right. Now after that, click on library, which is also at the top right here, and then you want to search for indicators and you want to type in trend lines. There we go, with breaks, okay, like that. And then it's going to load up a bunch of different things. Scroll down, and here there's a bunch of different ones you can use. And the trend lines with breaks, this is this one over here. I'm just going to click on it. And then you can, of course, scroll down to actually see the preview of what this looks like on the chart. And then you can scroll down even more. And here you can basically see kind of the description of it, how you can configure it, the frequently asked questions, etc. And then on here, right below the chart, you can see it's going to allow you to basically use it on one of these platforms. So we have TradingView, NinjaTrader, MetaTrader 4 or 5, and then Thinkorswim as well. So select the platform you want to use it on. For example, if you want to use like MT5, click on Get Access. It's going to show you exactly what you have to do. Just follow this step-by-step instructions and you'll be able to use it on the preferred platform. But if you just want to quickly use it and don't really care where, you can go to the TradingView, because I do think it's the easiest and quickest way to set this up. So click on Get Access again. It's going to open up TradingView in a separate tab here. You can again see what this looks like and then just sign into your account if you haven't signed in yet, or create one if you don't have it, and then scroll down, click on Use on Chart here just below. And it's going to open up yet another tab in your browser, which is going to basically give you the chart with the indicator. Okay, so as you can see here, the indicator is on. Let me actually just remove this one that I had earlier. So there we go. Here we have the trend lines with breaks, and you can go ahead and, of course, go ahead and do your technical analysis with that. And over here, you can see also the LuxAlgo trend lines with breaks. You can hover over it, click on the settings, and then adjust the settings for inputs, style, and visibility. If you want to change anything with this indicator, click on OK, and then that's pretty much it. That's how we can use it very easily. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.